check out the VitalSleep anti-snoring mouthpiece. This is an anti-snoring solution that is made in the United States. VitalSleep has been helping snorers for over 10 years. The VitalSleep mouthpiece comes in men's and women's sizes. It is easy to mold at home using just hot water. It makes custom teeth impressions in just 45 seconds, creating a personalized fit to your teeth. The design is adjustable with a patented system for optimal jaw positioning. You can adjust the lower tray up to 8 millimeters based on your snoring intensity. This also allows you to advance the lower jaw to open your airway. The material that it is made from is hypoallergenic, BPA-free, and latex-free, and it lasts up to 3 years. The VitalSleep mouthpiece improves sleep for the person snoring and their partner. It enhances breathing by opening the airway. It advances the lower jaw and tongue, creates more space in the throat, reduces vibrations that cause snoring, has customizable adjustment for optimal airway opening, and leads to quieter, more restful sleep.